Lesson number 2, Creating a Chart in Excel 2013. Introduction. In the lesson, we will learn about different type of charts. So what is the mean by chart? Chart means pictorial representation of data. Chart make it easier for us to understand the large quantity of data. They help us see the relationship between different part of the data. Excel support various type of chart. You enter data in a tabular form and use it to create a chart. A chart in Excel is linked to a data in the worksheet. If the data is modified, the chart will change too. Now, types of charts. You can create a chart from the data entered in a worksheet. We will use the data in the table given below. To create a chart of different types, it shows the revenue and the expenditure of a company A in the past 5 years. Now, first one is a line chart. Line chart compare trend in a data at the equal intervals. Line chart are useful for depicting the change in a value over a period of time. Line chart are usually used to show a production or sales trend over a period of time. Here given a figure of line chart. Here we will learn how to create a line chart. First of all, select the chart table, then insert tab, then chart group, then insert chart dialog box appear, then select line chart, then after click on OK button. So in this way we can create a line chart. Then after change its title with the name, details of company. Now column chart. Column chart figures show the change in the data over a period of time, or it illustrates the comparison among the items. Categories are organized horizontally and values vertically. In a column chart, each data point in a series is represented by the column that raise from the x-axis. Column charts are useful when the height of the individual points is more important than the trend in a series. Here given the figure of column chart. Now column chart. First of all generate the table, then select a table, then in a chart group, then column chart, then select the chart. In this way we can create a column chart. Now 3D stacked column chart. A 3D stacked column chart shows the part to a whole. Now next one is a bar chart. Bar chart also illustrate the comparisons among individual items. Categories are organized vertically and values are horizontally. 3D stacked column chart. First of all, select the table, then insert tab, then chart group, insert chart dialog box appear, then select their option 3D stack column chart. Then after click on OK button. In this way we can create a 3D stack column chart. Then set it in a proper way. Now bar chart. First of all select the table, then all, then bar chart, then click on OK button. In this way we can create a bar chart. Now scatter chart. Scatter chart are useful to plot a relationship between linked set of number, for example height, weight and price and sales. Scatter chart plots each data point with a marker. Here given the scatter chart figure. Now pie chart. Pie chart is useful to plot data for single data series. Pie chart show in figure represent a expenditure of company A for the past 5 years. Each data point is represented by a one slice of circular pie chart. The size of each slice is proportional to the value it represents. So all the data points taken together make a complete circle. Now scatter chart. First of all select the table, then click on insert tab, then after chart group, then insert chart dialog box appear, all charts, then after click on scatter chart, then finally click on OK button. In this way we can create a scatter chart. Now pie chart. First of all generate the table, then select the table, then insert tab, then chart group, insert chart dialog box appear, all charts, then select their pie chart, then click on OK button. In this way we can generate a pie chart. Now donut chart. Donut charts show the relationship of part to a whole. It can contain more than one data series in the chart. Shown in the figure, the inner ring is the expenditure and the outer ring is the revenue. Now next one is area chart. An area chart figure is similar to a line chart, but the data point marker are not displayed and the area beneath the line filled with the color. Area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change in a data over a time. Now donut chart. First of all create the table, then after select the table, then click on chart group, then click there donut chart. In this way we can generate a donut chart. Then after set a donut chart in proper way. So this is your donut chart. Now area chart. Same way create the table, then after select your table. After selecting a table, click on insert tab, then chart group, then all chart option, then area option, and finally click on OK button. In this way we can generate area chart. Now radar chart. Radar chart plots data in concentric circle. Each data series is plotted along the separate axis from the center point to the outer ring. 3D surface chart. 3D surface chart create a three-dimensional view of data. Typography map is the example of 3D surface chart. Now radar chart. Same way, first of all generate the table and then after select the table. Then click on insert tab, then chart group, then insert chart dialog box appear, all chart option, then radar option, and finally click on OK button. In this way we can generate a radar chart. Now 3D surface chart. First of all generate the table, then select the table. Then insert tab, then after chart group, then insert chart dialog box appear, all charts, Then after surface option, select on it, then click on OK button. In this way we can generate 3D surface chart.